Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace Nyawera, and kindly if you've not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can join my notification family. So guys, today we're preparing pilau, but so this is the second way of how to prepare of how I prepare pilau. We did the first one, so this is the second recipe. So this is what I call a simple pilau recipe. It's very simple, um, pocket friendly, if I can put it that way, and very quick. So guys, you remember the first time I did a video on pilau? I told you that there are several ways of preparing pilau. So if you've not watched that video, kindly go ahead and watch that video. Then today we're going to do another method. This is a simple and quick one. It has very few ingredients. So yeah, guys. So here I have 1 cup of rice. This is washed rice. Then here I have my already boiled meat. Then I have um, one medium-sized chopped red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of pilau spice. Then over here I have 2 grated tomatoes. So for this recipe, this is all that I need. It is very simple and yeah, and a quick one. So guys, let us get busy. So guys, whatever is here, I after boiling meat, I did not remove it from the tortilla. So what I did, I just added my onions and started frying. But this one, I removed the meat from the sufuria, put it in bowl, then so I fried the onions first. And guys, don't wonder why my sufuria is colored, it's brown inside. It's the same sufuria that I used to boil the meat. I didn't see the need to wash it because it's cooking the same meat anyway. So yeah. So we're going to fry this until it simmers. Then I can add the garlic. Guys, it's time to add water, and for our 1 cup of rice, we're not going to add 2 cups of water. As usual, I'm going to remove a quarter from that water. So as you can see, this cup is not full. This should have been the second cup, but I've removed a quarter from it. So I have added 1 3/4 of water. So 1 cup and 3/4 of water for our 1 cup of rice. That will make sure that our rice comes out one, should I say one? Yeah, for lack of a better word.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
Guys, our food is almost, but it needs to cook on low heat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it to the other burner, the smaller one, because I need it to cook on very low heat. But this burner, its low heat is still too high. So I'm going to allow it to cook on low heat for about 3 minutes, and it will be ready.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright.
Guys, our food is ready, and I've decided to serve it with some tomato chili on the side. I really love this tomato chili, guys. I'll share with you the recipe one of these days. And of course, you know me, pilau is not served complete if it does not have a banana. So, yes, I've also served with the banana on the side. And guys, this is my recipe of a simple pilau. A very quick fix, guys. Kindly go ahead, try out the recipe, and let me know in the comment section which recipe you prefer. Is it the first one we did, or is it this one? So talk to me in the comment section, guys, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So till next time, guys, bye bye.